If laundry day feels like a weekly boss battle, the right washer and dryer can turn it into a quick, satisfying win. LG and GE, two giants of home appliances, take very different approaches to solving the same pain points: time, odors, energy, and fabric care. One leans into speed, AI, and sleek efficiency. The other doubles down on freshness, dosing precision, and quiet reliability. Here's a concise, engaging breakdown of how LG and GE stack up across the most important categories, so it's easy to decide which one matches a home's routines and priorities. Smart platforms and apps. LG's ThinQ platform brings remote control, cycle notifications, downloadable programs, and smart diagnostics that help troubleshoot without a service call, with AI fabric sensor features that detect fabric type and optimize wash behavior automatically to protect clothes while improving performance. ThinQ also supports convenient remote start, monitoring, and smart pairing with compatible dryers to set a matching cycle automatically, a comfort feature for those who don't want to guess drying settings after a complex wash cycle. GE's Smart HQ platform focuses on staying current via over-the-air updates, remote monitoring, and easy status alerts, with features tied into its hardware advantages like Smart Dispense and Ultrafresh, so the app experience supports long-term convenience and stink prevention just as much as control from anywhere. In everyday use, LG feels like the innovation-first smart system with AI-enhanced fabric care and speedy cycle optimizations, while GE feels like the reliability-first smart system that enhances already practical hardware with helpful notifications and updates. Odor and mold prevention. This is GE's signature strength. The Ultrafresh vent system with odor block uses a three-part approach: drain, dry, defend, to eliminate excess moisture and help prevent odors in the gasket and tub, letting the door stay closed without the musty smell so many front loaders battle. Key components, including the gasket, dispenser, pump housing, and hoses, are infused with microban antimicrobial protection to help limit odor-causing bacteria growth over the life of the machine. The system can run venting intervals that quietly spin and draw in fresh air to dry internal surfaces after laundry, which directly addresses the lingering moisture problem that creates buildup in typical front loaders. LG's approach to cleanliness leans on steam cycles and lower temperature drying, especially on heat pump models, to be gentle on fabrics and reduce allergens, but GE's Ultrafresh remains a standout if odor prevention is the top concern. Detergent Auto-Dosing. If the idea of measuring detergent every load sounds tedious, auto-dosing can be a game changer. GE's Smart Dispense is highly regarded for convenience and consistency, storing enough detergent for roughly 32 loads in many front-load models and automatically dispensing the right amount based on the load's weight and materials. On select top loaders, GE's Smart Dispense reservoirs can hold approximately 75 ounce, about 50 loads depending on settings, reducing the need to refill frequently and ensuring dosing is optimized for the sensed load size. LG offers auto-dosing on select models, often brand-labeled features within its ThinQ ecosystem, but GE's implementation is widely showcased in its lineup and tightly integrated with Smart HQ alerts for low levels and consistent dosing routines. For households that want to set it and forget it, GE earns the advantage here. AI and fabric care. LG puts AI front and center, with AI fabric sensor and AI direct drive systems that detect fabric types and adjust drum motions for better protection and optimized cleaning, aiming to deliver warm water-like performance even on energy-saving cold cycles. TurboWash and TurboWash 360 use targeted jets and optimized motions to reduce cycle times without compromising cleanliness, another crucial leg of LG's fast but gentle identity. GE also uses intelligent sensing, but its biggest fabric care stories revolve around clean, fresh machines and dosing precision. Its stain-guided modes and sanitize options are designed to improve cleaning consistency for typical family messes while keeping the washer itself fresher over time. If fabric adaptation and smart cycle optimization are top priority, LG's AI-led approach is compelling. Fast washing technology. Speed is a core LG value proposition. TurboWash 360 applies high-pressure nozzles and smart agitation to shorten cycles substantially while maintaining cleaning performance, ideal for those who run frequent loads or want an after-work quick wash that still delivers. Many LG discussions and reviews emphasize sub-40-minute quick cycles that remain thorough thanks to the jet action and motion control. GE offers quick wash functions, often around 20 minutes for lightly soiled items, and time-saver modes on select models, which are practical and effective, but LG's speed narrative is both broader and more central to the brand's identity. For the fastest blend of thorough cleaning and time savings, LG tends to lead. Steam features. Both brands incorporate steam, though they pitch it slightly differently. LG's Steam and Steam Plus cycles, often branded True Steam or Steam Plus in marketing, focus on reducing wrinkles, refreshing garments, and lowering allergens, integrating smoothly with its AI care and quick wash ethos to minimize pre-treatment while keeping fabrics looking good. GE offers steam options and steam sanitized cycles on select models, often paired with Sanitize with Oxy wash programs aimed at hygiene and bacteria reduction while preserving fabric quality. In short, LG leans into garment refresh and wrinkle reduction as an everyday convenience, while GE frames steam as part of a broader hygiene toolkit, including sanitized cycles. Heat pump and venting options. LG has pushed heat pump drying aggressively across ventless combos and some standalone dryers, emphasizing lower temperatures, energy efficiency, and fabric gentleness, especially useful for apartments or spaces without exterior venting. GE also offers a ventless heat pump solution in its Ultrafast combo and has been expanding options, but its front-load ecosystem is best known for ultra-fresh and smart dispense in traditional setups with vent flexibility, like reversible doors, to ease installs. If a home needs ventless flexibility and values low-temperature, efficient drying widely across options, LG's portfolio may feel broader. If the plan is a traditional vented pair with powerful odor control and dosing, GE stands out. Capacity and configurations. LG frequently highlights larger maximum capacities in premium lines, tying that to faster cycles, so big households can move more laundry in less time without sacrificing results. It supports a full range, from compact front loaders to expansive smart front load sets, allowing scaling based on home size and laundry habits. GE's capacity range is also competitive, with many front-load washers in the 4.8 to 5.0 C feet class that integrate ultra-fresh, microban, and smart dispense in mainstream sizes that fit most laundry closets and utility rooms, plus details like reversible doors and 32-inch depth to ease installation in tighter spaces. For maximum size with quick wash tech, LG is often the go-to. For flexible installs that still feel big enough for families, GE delivers strong options. Price and value. Both brands cover mid-range to premium, so the choice often comes down to which feature set creates more value at a given price point. GE can be value-forward in comparable traditional sets, while still delivering headline features like ultra-fresh and smart dispense, making it attractive for shoppers focused on practicality and long-term freshness without overpaying for extras. LG often commands a premium on advanced AI features, faster wash tech, and heat pump coverage. For those who care about time savings and energy efficiency, with a sleek tech-first user experience, that premium can feel justified. Promotions and bundle deals vary widely by retailer and season, so it's worth tracking current offers once the feature preferences are clear. Noise, maintenance, and day-to-day ease. LG's direct drive motors are engineered for quieter operation and durability, while smart diagnostics can help identify issues without a technician visit, minimizing downtime and frustration. GE's dynamic balancing technology on select models improves spin stability, reducing noise and saving time during unbalanced loads, and UltraFresh reduces the need for constant wipe downs or propping doors open after every wash. For set-and-forget maintenance, GE shines with odor prevention and dosing. For low-noise, high-tech operation with helpful telemetry, LG's ThinQ and direct drive pairing is hard to beat. The bottom line. Both brands deliver excellent washers and dryers, but they solve laundry pain points differently. LG excels at fast, AI-smart cleaning with a sleek user experience and energy-forward drying options, making it ideal for tech-inclined households that value speed and efficiency. GE excels at freshness, dosing, and everyday simplicity, turning front-load ownership into a low-maintenance routine without odors and with fewer detergent chores. Narrow the choice to the problem that matters most, time versus freshness, and the winner will practically pick itself.